veterinary care, how to provide better access to veterinary care, and how to curb irresponsible importation and breeding. By way of support to NGOs such as we have in our presence today, God bless all of them, Mr. President. Mabuhay kayo. We can't talk about animal cruelty without naming animal overpopulation as one of the root causes. Statistics from PAWS in 2019 of an estimated 12 million stray cats and dogs, and therefore the question at the proper time about humane animal control measures, how to provide better access to veterinary care, and how to curb irresponsible importation and breeding. By way of support to NGOs such as we have in our presence today, who are also promoting adoption of animals, DY's Furry Friends, PAWS Philippines of course, Lara's Ark, Bark Mission, Passion Project, Cara Welfare, Houndy Haven, Laguna Pitbulls Manila, and I'm sure there are many others. And God bless all of them, Mr. President. Salamat kaayo. Mabuhay kayo.
Magandang araw sa inyo mga idol. Ngayong araw naman ay pag-uusapan natin itong advokasya ni Senator Riza Hontiveros para sa PAWS o yung Philippine Animal Welfare Society ay nagpapakita ng lideratong may tunay na malasakit, hindi lang para sa tao kundi pati sa mga hayop na walang boses. So sa pagtulak ng kanyang advokasya, mahigpit na protection ang laban sa animal cruelty at mas maayos na pagpapatupad ng Animal Welfare Act. So pinapakita niyang ang pag-aalaga ng hayop ay refleksyon ng ating pagkatao. Sa gitna ng mas malalaking issue, pinapaalala ni Riza Hontiveros na ang pagbabago ay nagsisimula sa simpleng malasakit. So, meron pong mga comment dito sa kasayan po natin, no? So, sabi dito ni Miss Heidi Danyo, "Thank you and louder please, Senator Riza Hontiveros. Please continue to support our animal welfare groups and push for reforms to really improve and address the growing concerns of irresponsible breeding, animal cruelty, and stray situation of our country. I hope each LGUs will adopt their own sanctuary of animal or animal shelter. Pounds are just horrible and reflect neglect of these voiceless animals." Yan po sinabi nitong si Miss Heidi Danyo. So yan po no ang mga reaksyon ng ating mga kababayan, no. At dito na lang po, ganun naman po ay talaga naman tayong saludo sa mga ginagawang aksyon nitong si Senator Riza Hontiveros. Hindi lang pantao kundi pati sa pagmamahal sa hayop ay kanyang naman ipinapamalas. Yun naman po, no.